is true. It is we who take more than we need and leave a trail of destruction. Now it is time for us to reflect on ourselves and ask, what have I done for Mother Nature? What are we doing for conserve the environment? A very healthy morning and warm welcome to each and everyone present here. This is Grant from class 4th standing before you presenting today's morning assembly with the theme of impact of climate change and environmental conservation. A healthy environment is the foundation for a stable and healthy society. Let us appreciate the gift of nature and pray to God that we can change ourselves and work to conserve the nature. Let us start today's morning assembly. Join your hands and close your eyes and start prayer. National news. Delhi's air quality remains very poor. Schools to reopen tomorrow. Second, Congress MP says Israel's Netanyahu should be shot dead without trial. International news. Invading Taiwan would be a logistical minefield for China. Second, Russia's drone strikes Ukraine